Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Forte's engine oil step by step. Before we begin, gather your tools and supplies. You'll need a 17mm socket, a torque wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and safety glasses. Make sure you have fresh 5W20 full synthetic engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug gasket. Warm up your engine for about 10 minutes. Then park your car on a level surface and secure it safely. Now that your car is ready, let's drain the old oil. If your Forte has an engine splash shield, carefully remove it first. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is typically a 17mm bolt. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dark oil to flow completely into the pan. Remember to replace the crush washer on the drain plug for a proper seal. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. Move your drain pan under the filter's location. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, ensuring its old O-ring comes off with it. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until the gasket makes contact, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/3 turn for a secure fit. Once the oil has finished draining, reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it to 25 to 33 foot-pounds. Carefully lower your vehicle. Now, using a funnel, add approximately 4 to 5 quarts of new 5W20 full synthetic engine oil. Replace the oil filler cap and dipstick. Start the engine for a few minutes to circulate the oil, then check for any leaks and verify the oil level on the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.